Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about Jim Rohn lesson 7 life lessons that can improve our life. One of the best ways to improve our life in the most effective way is to find a mentor and learn from his teaching and take action. In that way, you don't need to invent hot water again. You can avoid some mistakes, and yes, a good mentor can inspire you to take action. And a good thing today is that you don't need to look for your mentor in person. You can find your mentor in books, videos, or audios. And like today, you can listen it from the YouTube. So it won't cost you a fortune, but it can bring you a fortune. So the 7 great life lessons from Jim Rohn that has raised the life of so many people are: 1. It all starts with you. For things to change, you have to change. The economy might be bad, you might be coming from a disordered family, the politician can be corrupted, but all don't cost much because you can do much about it. There is no point of complaining about it. So, as I'm sure you are not complaining about the gravity, though some plane are falling down because of it. What I have learned from Jim Rohn is that I am the one who can improve my life. I can improve my financial situation by learning new skills. I can improve my health by doing sport and making better choice in my diet. And I can improve my relationship with my spouse by openly talking about the problems. So what change are you going to do today? And the lesson number 2 is never stop learning. Okay, the formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. That's what Jim Rohn tell us. Alright. Once you stop learning, you fall in a pool of mediocrity. It's okay to have a formal education, but it's just okay. And it doesn't matter what a degree you have. What I have learned from Jim Rohn is that it doesn't matter where you stand. What matters is where you want to go. So if you want to move forward in this fast-moving world, take care of yourself. You have to learn the self-development. You have to read a lot of motivation books. You have to listen a lot of podcasting about motivation, inspiration, and learn some essential internet skills. Start thinking as an entrepreneur, and even you don't have your own business, you just have to search and learn and read. That means constantly learning new things in order to improve a life around you. Learning is an oxygen for your success. And the lesson number 3 is stop procrastinating. Okay, what is easy to do is also easy not to do. That's what Jim Rohn said. So when starting a new thing, like learning new skill on the internet, this is almost a must if you don't want to feel like you are from another planet. Or learning a new language, you might feel overwhelmed at the beginning, but everything is easy as long as you break it down. Make it one step at a time. Remember how you have learned to ride a bicycle? You have done it now by watching it, by doing it, right? So you watch, you learn, then you do. And learning a new language or some new skill like internet skill won't even cause you some stress on your knees, as was the case when learning to ride a bicycle. So it was not really that difficult. But what is easy to do is also easy not to do. It is easy to say I am too old, or easy to say I am too young to start a business. It's easy to say I don't have time to do this and to do that. I don't have time to do sport. So just stop procrastinating. Make just the first step, then the second, then the third, and the fourth, and then just keep going. Just keep going and going and going. And lesson number 4 is to take care of yourself. Take care of your body is the only place where you have to live. Why? Why? When you ask about why you have to take care about yourself, the answer that Jim Rohn gave is because it's the only place where you have to live. So you have to take care of yourself. And Jim Rohn taught me that in order to enjoy life and success, you have to feel good in your body. You have to be in good shape. So go to gym today. Yes, today, not tomorrow. Okay? Because that would be the beginning of procrastinating. If you say, okay, we do it tomorrow, you will not do it. Take care of what you put in your mouth. Make your body strong. In the most precious place to carry your mind through your life. So you have to take care of your body, like it or not. Okay, number 5 is constantly work on your mind. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. That's what Jim Rohn said. I don't effort one day not to work on myself. Doing affirmation, reading motivation books, watching work seminar. That is the foot of your mind. Your mind will take you from where you are to where you want to be. So never allow your mind to starve. Okay, number 6. Express your feeling. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. So, even if you are not a good speaker, it's a work to working on improvement. Okay? If you are talking with a feeling, you will win the audience. You will convince people. As I'm not a native English speaker, when I speak on video, you clearly notice my English is far from perfect. And you can listen by now. I'm not an English speaker, obviously, but what I was always do is to express all my feeling about the things that I'm talking about. Express your feeling, and people will always want to hear what you have to say. Okay, last but not least is to start making good habits. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. That's what Jim Rohn said. So success is made of a selection of good habits. Doing them every day. Taking action every day. Okay? You choose what habit you want and then doing it. Okay? One good habit I have learned from Jim Rohn is starting my working days always with the most difficult tasks of that day. That means that after I finish it, everything else gets easier. Okay, create habit that can improve your life, like making to-do list or taking half an hour for focus your thoughts on doing your sport at least 3 times per week. A tip that's always start with only one habit at a time, and when you master it, move on. Okay? You have just read some of Jim Rohn life lessons which can drastically improve your life. The most important thing to do now is to take an action. If learning is an oxygen of your success, taking action is the blood of it. Educate yourself, stop making excuses, learn new skill, make one new habit, and you will be on the fast track to your success. Okay, that's all for today. This is from the life hack